What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, let me teach you how can you get the AI manga filter on TikTok. So before we start guys, make sure to go onto your Play Store or App Store depending on what phone you have. So for me, mine is Play Store because I have an Android phone, and search for TikTok. So in this one, we have to make sure that TikTok is updated to the latest version. And if this is not updated, you just have to update this using the green button. And as you can see, mine is updated now. So let's just open this, guys. So when you are here on your TikTok app, the way to access the manga filter, there are a couple of ways, guys. So the first one is to actually um, tap on the plus button here at the middle, lower middle. And once you are here, go over to FX on the left side. And once you are here, you just have to search for AI manga filter. As you can see, this is the AI manga filter. You just have to select that. And once you've selected that, now you can access the manga filter. So the other two ways, guys, is to actually search for it. So AI manga filter, search for that. And once you are here, you can access it using the effects right here. The first few results, you just have to select that. And once again, you are now here. You just have to select the photo. And the last and final way is to go on over and um, select a video that you want that has the filter. So let's try and use it on videos. So as you can see, there's an AI manga here. You just have to select the FX icon here, the yellow one. It should be yellow at the top of the username of the TikTok account. So do that and select the AI manga effect. And once you are here, now you can access it. So you can upload a photo here. You can just tap it, or you can upload a photo right here. So let's try this one. And you just have to wait for this to finish processing. And as you can see, it now converted to the AI manga filter. And if you want to shoot it, you just have to select the red button here in the middle. And as you can see, it's processing the video, and there. So as you can see, we've successfully did the AI manga filter here. And there guys, that is how you can access the AI manga filter and how you can use the AI manga filter on your TikTok app. So okay guys, that is all for me today. Please consider liking and subscribing to the channel if you want more videos like this, because it really helps us out in providing more quality content for you. So don't forget to support the channel guys, and thanks for watching and goodbye.